You ever look at your bank account and just sit there for a second? Like, I work hard, I show up, I do my job. So, why does money still feel tight sometimes? That was me. So, I did what most of us do. I went online looking for answers. And it was either somebody yelling about how to 10x your money fast, or a finance video that sounded like it was written by a robot. Half the time, I didn't even know what they were talking about. And I realized that's not what I need. At some point, it clicked for me. If I don't understand how money works, I can't build stability for the people I care about. And I'm not talking about being flashy. I'm talking about peace of mind, options, not stressing every time an unexpected bill shows up. So, I'm Kai. I'm not a financial advisor, not a professor, not some guy pretending to be a millionaire online. No rented cars, no secret strategy. I'm just a regular family guy who decided to take money seriously. This channel is where I share what I'm learning, how investing actually works, what index funds and ETFs really are, why consistency matters more than chasing trends, and how small, steady decisions can compound over time. Nothing complicated, nothing dramatic, just clear ideas explained in plain English. And just to be clear, this isn't financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to buy or sell. This is education. It's about understanding how things work so you can make your own smart decisions. I build these visuals using my own desktop tools. I record with my own mic setup. And sometimes I use a voice clone of my own voice to keep things consistent. But the thoughts are mine. The research is mine. The perspective is mine. If you're tired of hype, if you're tired of feeling behind, if you just want a calmer, clearer way to think about money, you're in the right place. This is Kai Invests. Let's build smarter money habits, one step at a time.